Hey guys, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. Well, I didn't think that I was gonna have to fix my kitchen sink, but luckily it's a quick job, thank goodness, and it just needs the sealant around the sink replaced. I'll take out all the seal, and especially back here, because I poured water in here to do a test, and it went right to the floor of the under the kitchen sink, so I know that's my culprit. I'm peeling out the old sealant. Looks so gross, huh? To dry the area under the sink, I'm just taking a knife here because that razor blade was just driving me crazy, and I'm just trying to dry it out. Dry the area under here all the way across, so when I put the silicone, it won't have any wet stuff to deal with. But this is what I'm going to use. I saw another gent and he recommended this, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. As you can see, it's Kwik seal, Adhesive Caulk, 100% waterproof seal. Cured caulk is mold and mildew resistant. Bonds like glue, seals like caulk, paintable if you needed to do that, easy water cleanup and low odor. So it's for kitchen, bath, and plumbing. So we're gonna cut the tip here in an angle so that I can easily get back here, which will be my little doozy to make sure I get enough up under here. But it's enough space to really get in there and feel in that space. Depending on the area that you're trying to fill in, is how much of the opening you should make it. I've only literally cut off just the tip of this so I can have my slant, but they do have, you see, predefined slashes that you can go by or cut it this way if you want to use that. But I went even shorter than that because I want to make sure I can really control the amount of product that goes in this under this space. So you see how I started here, nice and smooth. I'm going to take a little bit at a time and just work it into there, just like that, making sure I get all those spaces because this stuff, I get all them spaces. And then before it dries, make sure to wipe it in. And I use my hands because they say you can use a warm water to get this off your hands. So I just rub it and push it in there, scrape it on the sink area to get it under there some more, just like that. Yeah. And see, nice and clean. And then get it off the sink. See? So I'm gonna finish and go all the way around like this. All right, guys, so there we have it. I went all the way around, sealed it up. I'm gonna let this dry for 24 hours. They say if you're gonna paint, use this in any kind of painting situation, they say wait 2 hours before you use your oil paint or latex paint. All right, so thanks for hanging out with me on this little mini project, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care, God bless.